Okay, we are starting with problem number 2. The problem says coordinate of point P, Q and R are given. Coordinate of point P is 3, Q is -5 and R is 6. Okay, they have used the word respectively. Respectively म्हणजे first to first, second to second and third to third. This is the relation respectively. State whether the given following statements are true or false. They have given some distances. Distance of this segment plus this segment is equal to the third segment. You have to check all these things and then state whether it is true or false. Each statement carries 2 marks. You have to solve and you have to identify whether the statement is true or false, right or wrong, correct or incorrect. आपल्या मर्जीचा वर्ड यूज करा असं मी बोलणार नाही आहे या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये, बिकॉज त्यांनी सांगितलं यू हॅव टू यूज द वर्ड ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. ओके, नाव इन केस बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना व्हायरस, समजा जर तुमचे पेपर करेक्शनला टीचर्स अवेलेबल नसतील, इफ देर आर नो टीचर्स अवेलेबल फॉर करेक्शन and university decides, sorry not university, you are still in the board students, okay, and if the board decides to go for a computerized correction, okay, even if it is true and you write correct, computerला समजणार नाही तो wrongच देणार statementला. He has to find the word true. If he cannot see the word true, he will give you wrong. Okay, sorry, it will give you wrong. Distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR. How can we find this? How can we find when we have, now the hint is when we have the coordinates given for 3 points, we have 3 points, we have 3 coordinates. So first of all what we have to do is we have to find the individual distances, distance of PQ, distance of QR and distance of PR also. These 3 distances we will find first. I have written it for you. First find distance of all the 3 segments QPR. Okay, they have already given. How can we plot this thing? Because of the coordinates. Okay, Q -5 है, एकदम extreme left ला आला. P is 3, R is 6. Okay, this diagram is only for explanation. You did not draw the diagram. If the problem comes for 2 marks, you did not draw the diagram. You can proceed directly in this way. Coordinate of Q is -5, coordinate of P is 3 and coordinate of R is 6, which is given. Therefore distance of PQ is equal to, since 3 is greater than -5, therefore PQ is equal, distance PQ is equal to 3 minus of -5, that is 3 plus 5. Distance PQ is 8. This is your statement 1. PQ झालं, PR करूया. PR since 6 is greater than 3. कुठला स्टेप मिस केला मी ते? Coordinate of P is 6, R is 3, sorry R is 6 and P is 3. तो स्टेटमेंट इथे मिस केला आहे. ओके, वी कॅन मिस इट डायरेक्टली. इथे नाही लिहिलं तरी चालेल, बिकॉज दॅट वॉज ओनली फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टँड. Now in problem set we are thorough with this thing, so we can directly put this statement as, since 6 is greater than 3, therefore the distance of PR will be 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Distance of PR is 3. Distance of QR, again 6 is greater than -5, therefore distance of QR is 6 minus of -5, 6 plus 5 is 11. Distance QR is 11. This is our statement 3. Now we have all the 3 distances. So what next we have to do? Now we have to check whether the statements are right or wrong. Let's take the first statement. Distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PR. Put the coordinates. 8 plus 11 is equal to 19. But distance of PR is 3. That means 8 plus 11 is not equal to 3. Therefore the statement is wrong. This is your answer. Okay, this is the answer which comes to your mind, but you have to write the answer with what is required by the board pattern. Okay, but as per board pattern you have to state complete statement as below. Distance of PQ plus distance of QR not equal to distance of PR. Reason, अरे प्रूव्ड, आता प्रूव्ह केलं ना आपण. सो रिझन विल बी प्रूव्ड. Therefore distance of PQ plus distance of QR is equal to PR, which is the question, is a false statement. Okay, or you can also use it the state. Therefore the given statement distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to distance PR is false. Okay, words order doesn't matter, but true and false is actually that matters. Okay, now problem number second. The second one they have given is distance of PR plus RQ is equal to how much. You can directly take this as PR distance आपण फाइंड केलं होतं, RQ सुद्धा फाइंड केलं आहे. 3 + 11 is equal to 14. but distance PQ, okay, the main problem दिलं नाही मी इथे सेकंड वाला. distance PQ, that problem was distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equal to distance of PQ. Okay, but distance of PQ is 8, therefore 11 is not equal to 8. We can write distance of PR plus distance of RQ not equal to distance PQ. Okay, therefore distance of PR plus distance of RQ is equal to distance of PQ is a false statement. Next, distance of RP plus distance of PQ. ब्लड है का, ब्राइटनेस इंक्रीज करूँ, जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल इंक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस. ओके, डिस्टन्स ऑफ RP प्लस डिस्टन्स ऑफ PQ इज इक्वल टू. ओके, मी पण घाई केलेली, मी क्वेश्चन लिहतच नाही आहे, बट यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द क्वेश्चन देन पुट सोल्युशन आणि हे स्टार्ट करायचं. ओके, स्टेप. डिस्टन्स ऑफ RP प्लस डिस्टन्स ऑफ PQ इज इक्वल टू 3 + 8 इज इक्वल टू 11. but distance RQ is not 11, therefore we write distance of RP plus distance of PQ and this is not 11. ब्रॅकेट इथे पाहिजे तर प्रूफ लिहू शकतात तुम्ही. ओके, hence distance of RP plus distance of PQ is equal to distance RQ, which is the original question, is a false statement. The last part of the problem, distance of PQ minus distance PR is equal to 8 minus 3. The question is PQ minus PR is equal to QR, which again I have not written. Okay, कारण एकदा मी ऑलरेडी इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. The problems have been written here. I am directly doing the solutions. Okay, but distance QR is equal to 11, which is given already. Okay, आपण प्रूफ केलं आहे. प्रूफ लिहा नाहीतर गिवन लिहा, किंवा फ्रॉम स्टेटमेंट नंबर. व्हॉट वॉज द स्टेटमेंट नंबर QRचा आपला? QR statement 3. Okay, you can also put the reason from statement 3rd. Therefore distance of PQ minus distance of PR is not equal to distance of QR. Okay, because 8 minus 3 is 5, not 11. Hence we can say the final answer, distance of PQ. Okay, comma विसरलो, भरपूर ठिकाणी विसरलो. Okay, this happens. ओके, बट नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट दॅट. फायनल जे आन्सर आपण लिहितो आहे त्या आन्सरमध्ये एकसुद्धा कॉमाची मिस्टेक व्हायला नाही पाहिजे. रिप्रेझेंटेशन शुड बी करेक्ट. ओके, आवर स्टेटमेंट रिप्रेझेंटेशन शुड बी करेक्ट बिकॉज इट्स व्हेरी मच पॉसिबल दॅट द टीचर हू इज गोइंग टू करेक्ट युअर पेपर, ओके, शी इज द टीचर फॉर ऑल द 2 to 3 डिव्हिजन. ऑल 2 to 3 डिव्हिजन्स म्हणजे 60 स्टुडंट्स पर डिव्हिजन. दॅट इज शी हॅज टू करेक्ट पेपर्स ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 180 पीपल. एक एक स्टेप आणि एक एक कॉमा चेक करणार नाही टीचर.